Fine, let us start working on second problem here. Right, so if a square box is there, plus 237 by 44 is equal to 10 9 by 44, then missing fraction in the boxes. Right, I'll rewrite this. Right, see, this is equal to, right, 10 9 by 44. So I'll transfer to the right hand side, then automatically the sign is going to change, minus 237 by 44. Now convert, see, mixed fraction to improper. Right, improper. Right, you know how to convert it. So this will become, right, you need to multiply here 44 into 10. 44 into 10. So what, how you can multiply? 44 into 10 plus 9, and for second one is 44 into 2 plus 37. Right, for 440 plus 9, 449. This will become 449 by 44 minus, now just check out here, 88 plus 37, 80, 30, 110, 118, 125. This will become 125 by 44. Now take a LCM here. So both denominators have same number, so that is 44, 44. That's what 44 is going to be the LCM. Right, 449 minus 125. Now subtract here, 9 minus 5 is 4. Right, 4 minus 2 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3. So this will become 324 by 44. Right, 324 by 44, you got it. Now what you can do, you can simplify now. So divide by 2, that is 2 ones are, right. So 4 you can directly divide by 4 because 24 is there. Directly divide by 4. 4 8s are, right, 4 ones are 81 and 11s are. So this is what the answer is, but we are supposed to place in terms of mixed fraction. Right, mixed fraction, that is Q R D, you are supposed to place in this way. Right, so now divide 81 by 11. So 11 sevens are 77. So when you subtract 77 from 81, you're going to get 4. Now quotient is 7. Right, divisor is 11. Right, and 4 is the remainder. 7, 4 by 11 is the answer. Right, option A is the right one.